This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying accounts and sync so changes stick. Go to Settings, Passwords, and Accounts. Confirm iCloud/Google/Exchange are toggled on for calendars. Once done, open the Calendar app and tap Calendars at the bottom to reveal all calendars and assigned colors. Make sure Wi-Fi or cellular is active so edits sync to other devices immediately. This avoids lost events and keeps your default calendar ready for editing. Next, you edit specific calendars. Tap Calendars, then add calendar to create one, name it, and pick a color. To rename or change a color, tap the info icon next to that calendar and update fields. Changes apply to all events in that calendar. If you need to remove a calendar, swipe left or use the account settings on the web for subscribed calendars. Finally, go to Settings, Calendar Default Calendar, and choose which calendar new events should use. Finish by confirming visibility, sharing, and backup. In Calendars View, check or uncheck items to show or hide them quickly. To share a calendar, tap its info button and add person, set view or edit permissions so collaborators can update events. Make a quick backup by ensuring iCloud sync or exporting from your account on the web. If changes don't appear, toggle calendars off then on in Settings, restart the iPhone, and verify account password.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.